Right, last one we'll go through is sets. So sets use the same brackets as dictionaries, but between the commas you have a single item and not a pair of items. So sets are probably the least common data structure you might use. However, for certain situations they do become quite useful. So what we've got here is we've got a set of fruit. So we'll just call it this set. It's got apple, banana, and cherry in. So we can obviously print out the set. But the key thing about a set is it's a collection which doesn't have an index and doesn't have an order, but each item in the set is completely unique, so there can't be any duplicates. So if you're starting collecting data and you want to just collect the single instances of each one, and if you get duplicates to ignore them, the set's quite a nice data structure for that. So we can add to the set. So if I wanted to say add orange to the set, when I run it, you can see it's now got orange in. If I add orange twice, you can see it's not added it twice. It's not errored, but because orange was already there and it's a set, sets can't contain duplicate items. Okay, you can remove from a set. So instead of .add, you just do .remove, and then that will remove banana. You can also, I'd say actually for the basics, adding and removing from a set is about all that you need to know. It's just important that you understand that a set is used when you need to contain unique items. All right, so any duplicates will not be added. So a set can't have any duplicate values in it.